All right, Salam Salam, welcome to Zen to the Music. I'm going to be doing a taste test of a couple. I got two Caribbean dessert treats I've never actually really had before. So this one I got is called tamarind balls. These are tamarind balls, and they are made of sugar, tamarind, and salt. So these are the ingredients. I got a few here. And I got another thing called gizzarda. So it says gizzarda. I think I looked it up. It's a Portuguese cuisine and Jamaican cuisine. So looks kind of like a tart. So I want to try that. See the ingredients of that one is it's a pastry, flour, water, sugar, salt, margarine, filling, coconut, sugar. Okay. All right. So I'll try the tamarind balls first. This. All right. Oh my god. Oh, it's so sweet. Oh my god. Wow. Or is it sour? It's more. Whoa. This is so sour. Oh my gosh. Wow. It tastes kind of like a raisin. As far as like a something I can relate to, it tastes like a raisin. Um, I guess that's the tamarind, but it's so like sweet and sour. Like you could see my face, so it's really sour. Like oh wow, oh my god, oh wow, yeah, it's really sweet. Oh my gosh. I think if you want something to kick you, man, like that's good. It's like a dessert, but that thing's that's really sour. Okay, let's go on to the gizzarda. Gizzarda, I got two tart things here. All right. Okay, so that's one of them. I can see the coconut on the top. Coconuts, like it says, coconut, sugar, spices, pastry. Let's try this. Bottom. Mm. That's good. Mm. The coconut is really present. Tastes good, man. Mainly to me, I'm tasting just coconut and then the pastry. Mm. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, both actually these are both really good. I guess it just depends the type of taste. If you want something that's really gonna pack a punch, go with the tamarind. I mean, it's really really sweet. Wow. Yeah. Mm. And if you want something a little bit less, that still tastes good, I would go with the Gazarda. So again, I think this is from it's in Jamaican cuisine and Portuguese cuisine. So Portuguese cuisine, Jamaican. You know what I'm saying? Pretty dope. Mm. Yeah, I really like this, man. All right, so that's pretty much all I have for today. As far as the two Caribbean style pastry dessert treats. This is Internal Music. A new video like this, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Tell me if you guys ever tried tamarind or gazarda before. And yeah, um, so until next time, this is Enter the Music. Shalom, shalom, salam, salam, peace, and we out.